Are you looking for the best app for sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick? First thing we're going to do is download a program called Downloader. So come to the search icon, type in Downloader, the orange icon, click on it, get it, install it. There's one thing I ask everybody, please share this with a friend. The only thing I really ask anybody to do with these videos, please share it. Helps out with everybody to get some great sports. Okay. Once Downloader is installed, let's go to the home screen and head all the way to the settings icon on the far right. Come down to My Fire TV. And if you do not already have developer options listed here, click under About, and then under Fire TV Stick, use your remote, click it about 7 to 10 times, and then as you can see, no need. You are now a developer. Then go to Developer Options. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications that may not be available on your Amazon Fire TV. Once we've downloaded Downloader and we've jailbroken our Fire Stick, go over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games list here, find Downloader, use the 3-line button on your remote and move it to the front. Go back to the home screen, look for a Downloader, open it up, say yes and allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on the device. Here's a quick start guide. And under Downloader, we're going to type in a quick URL. 370.178. And this will send you to the Led by the Unknown webpage where we can find these awesome applications. Guys, once again, during this 5-second redirect, please share this with one of your friends. Use the 3-line button on your remote and then add the current page to the favorites, and we no longer have to wait for the 5-second redirect. So now guys, on this download page, we got a couple videos and how-tos, extra ones for you. Some applications for movies and TV shows, live TV, sports, and you name it. All right. Today, let's scroll down a bit. Now guys, if you're looking for a great deal on Surfshark, please get your phone, scan this QR code, and get yourself up to 86% off and up to 5 free months. Do it before the deal is over. And if we're looking for sports, head on down a little further. Second one in the list here for sports. Trust me, you'd like this one for sports, folks. You get the latest and an older version for a backup just in case if something's not working. Again, install, and then click done, delete the APK file, and we're good to go. Now guys, movies and TV shows, live TV, streaming apps, we can click something like, say, Zumo TV. Click on Zumo, head on down to the bottom. You have Android device or Amazon device or mobile. And of course, install. No special permissions required. Hit done. Delete. And delete. And we go back to the downloads page. Got Freebie, Fossum, Pluto, bunch of stuff, guys. Some adults. Now we go back to the home screen. Head over to the 3 squares plus sign. To apps and games, and of course we can highlight. We use the 3-line button, move to the front. And we can do this for all our applications. Sports, fire. Fire, everything's on fire. Are you looking for the best app for sports? Check this out. Schedules. All right, guys, take care. Peace.